Time limit reached on iPhone. How to fix the time limit reached issues on iPhone. So let's get started. You are seeing this message because screen time, app limits or downtime is restricting your app uses. It appears when you have used an app for its set limit, for example 1 hour a day on Instagram. So in order to turn it off, open the settings app on your mobile device, then scroll down and you will get to see screen time option available there. Tap on it. Inside screen time, all you have to do is scroll again and tap on the app limits option available there. Then if it is toggled on, then you will get to see it. All you have to do is delete the limit, or you can simply turn off the screen time as well. As you can see, go back to the screen time. First of all, you can see my screen time available at the top. It shows all my screen time of all the app I have used. In order to turn it off, scroll down and you can see turn off app and website activity option available. Tap on it and turn it off. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.